What's poppin', everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, my name is BLEESD. I'm here today with a new hair tutorial. Sorry I've been gone for a bit. I was sick, still kind of sick, but hopefully you guys will enjoy this video. First, I'm going to get a comb to comb out any naps or clumps in my hair in order to comb upward. Next, you will need water and a brush. What I do is I wet the brush to smooth out the hair from any clumps. Next, you will need Eco Style gel. It doesn't matter which one of those you use or any of the brand you use. I put the gel on all sides of my head, to the front, the side, and the back of my hair. After I'm done applying the gel, I go back over it with a brush so I have that smooth texture. You also need a hair tie to place your hair up high. Next thing I like to do is go over my hair with a little bit of Murray's Edge Wax gel. All I do is step on a little bit of it so my hair can be smoothed out on top, so I don't have any bumps or any waves in it. I don't like waves at all in my hair when there's a ponytail. Next, you will need an edge brush or a toothbrush to brush down your edges. I like this brush because it does wonders. It's double-sided. It has a comb at the other end. I couldn't use the other end because my goddaughter, aka little cousin, chewed it up. So yeah, shout out to you, Mila. Love you. Next, I go over my hair with Eco Gel for my edges. This is only to smooth my edges out. Now just go over my edges again with Murray's Edge Wax Extreme Hold, just to keep it in place because it helps keep my edges from not slipping, or for like when I sweat, it still keeps it in hold for my hair. Now for my bun, since my hair is straight right now, I use my comb to fluff it out so it can wrap around my finger perfectly. You will need bobby pins for your bun to hold that bun in place. You can put accessories also in your hair to make it pop. Hey, get it? This is my final look. Hopefully you guys like it. I feel like I did a good job. But if you guys want more, like, comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Peace and love. Bye.